subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Nokia has launched two new featured phones with 4G support called Nokia 8000 and Nokia 6300. Both of these devices shares quite similar design, but among these two, the Nokia 8000 is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Nokia 8000 4G features a 2.8-inch display with QVGA resolution. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 210 chipset paired with 512MB RAM and 4GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 32GB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Nokia 8000 4G supports a single 2-megapixel camera on the rear with LED flash at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on KOS out of the box and it comes equipped by 1500 mAh removable battery. Additionally, the phone also supports Google Assistant for better voice control. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 132.2 by 56.5 by 12.34mm and it weighs around 110.2 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Nokia 8000 4G has been priced at €79 and it will be available soon for purchase in Onyx Black, Opal White, Topaz Blue and Kintrain Gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Nokia 8000 4G phone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.